Understanding the phrase, play a trump card, in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting and often used phrase in the English language, play a trump card. This phrase is not only popular in conversations but also rich in history and metaphorical meaning. So, whether you're learning English as a new language or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. Let's dive in and unravel the layers behind this fascinating expression. The term, trump card, originally comes from card games. In many such games, a trump card is a particular card that temporarily becomes the most powerful card, able to trump or beat other cards. The use of this term started in the early 16th century. Over time, it evolved beyond card games and seeped into everyday language. Today, when someone says they're going to play a trump card, they're not usually talking about a card game. In modern usage, to play a trump card means to use a resource or strategy that gives one an advantage in a particular situation, often unexpectedly. It's like having an ace up your sleeve in a debate or negotiation. This phrase is often used in various contexts, from business and politics to personal relationships. For example, if a company suddenly reveals a new technology that puts it ahead of competitors, they are playing a trump card. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday language. In a debate, when someone unexpectedly brings up a strong argument or evidence, they are playing a trump card. If a job applicant reveals a unique skill or experience that makes them the perfect candidate, they play a trump card in their interview. In a sports match, when a team suddenly changes strategy and gains an advantage, they are said to play a trump card. The phrase, play a trump card, also has cultural significance. It reflects a strategic mindset and the importance of timing and resourcefulness in various cultures. There are similar expressions in other languages, though they might use different metaphors. Understanding these cultural nuances can be fascinating for language learners. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, play a trump card, and how it's used in the English language. It's a great example of how language evolves from specific contexts like card games to broader, metaphorical uses. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding these cultural and historical nuances. So, keep exploring and playing your own trump cards in your language learning journey. See you in the next video.